Today I'm gonna install this rear roof trunk spoiler on my BMW X6M, so stay tuned. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with another video. If you haven't already subscribed, please go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn on the post notification, leave me comments in the section below, like, and don't forget to share this video. I know you guys are probably wondering why I'm in the same clothes or why I'm at the same location in two separate videos. It's because I did two videos at the same time so I can have content to push out to you guys, so I don't leave you guys bored. But with that being said, let's jump into this video. Now, today I will be installing this roof trunk spoiler that I purchased on eBay for the X5. As you guys can see, it comes with 3M tape. I did do this installation previously. I did not show you guys how I installed it, but it was done. But for some reason, it kept on lifting up when the heat hits it, and it just damaged it. So I reorder another one. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use some strong glue in the middle to rest it on top of the glass so it will stick and won't move. Yes, it's not going to go nowhere this time. So I'm waiting for my brother. He's outside right now. I'm going to head over to the car and we're going to get this spoiler installed on my baby. Alright, so we're going to need 4 hands to install this, so I'm not going to be able to show you the installation, but whenever time the installation is done, I'm definitely going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so here you go. So this is the installation of the trunk roof wing. This mod definitely makes the back look so much different, so much more aggressive. And I really do apologize for not showing the installation. It's pretty easy. Anybody could install this. It's just 3M tape, and I use the glue. See if you got the glue? In the car? Let me show you what glue I use. In here? In here?
Right there.
No, not this. The glue.
It's in the back. So it's right here.
Okay. So I use this glue, the Rhino glue, and I put it in the middle of the 3M tape. So when I put the roof onto the glass, this definitely makes it bond. So this is a strong hole. This can withstand heat up to over 600 degrees. So this is the real deal. This is not going to go nowhere. And also make sure there is no spillage on the side, as you guys can see. So it lines up perfectly. So if you're going to install this on your car, definitely get one of these, the Rhino glue, and use it. It will definitely help with holding it down. Alright, so I will be leaving the information in the description box below where you can purchase that on eBay. Alright guys, my car coming together. Oh, another thing guys, I forgot to mention. So the rims. So I did went ahead and buy spacers. So I use 15mm spacers, as you guys can see, 15mm spacers in the rear, and I use 10mm spacers in the front, and the offset is way better. As you guys can see, it's out more, so it's lined up with the fender. I forgot to show you guys, I forgot to update you guys with this, because I did say I was going to buy spacers. So let me go to the rear and show you guys. You see, it definitely sticks out more. It lines up with the fender. Yeah, and I'm happy now. Alright guys, so that's it. So the spacers is on, the wheel is out more, and it definitely looks good, way better. All right, let me get this out the street. All right, guys, so that completes the installation for the roof spoiler on the BMW X6M. Like I said, I will be leaving all the information in the description box below where you can purchase that for your car. With that being said, thank you guys so much for subscribing. Thank you guys for tuning in. Like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video. Make sure you watch the video till the entirety, please. I need these watch hours because I need to get to this bag, all right? And make sure, I want this video to go viral too as well, and the other video, okay? Like the rims video that I upload. So, yeah, thank you guys again, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.